Tubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi, minwan ra amangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Moshrod Presbyterian Upper Primary School ka badan hakasnong Moshrod jong ka West Gentia Hills District haka arpuway terik menta ubanaya yong arajar arpuway kala penlong ye ka lumpung yele kai kabala tip kum ka annual inter-house sports meet ya kabala penlong hamadan yele kai jong ka school ha kabala sakilang da uba Carles B. Nongbri ubalong organizing secretary jong ka Seng United Henyotrep Movement Central Body harengkat ka jingsenran lang jong kidikot na Ribhoy District Badru na East Gentia Hills District. Haswaban pensdang ya kani kalumpung yelek kai kaladan ka jingelang kabalengkot yang kabala penyai de ka headmistress jong ka school ka kong winter rimbai bad hadin kani pat ki kena school kili shimbenta sah ka jingsha drill na ki lain tiliki house ki bakenthop ya ka yellow house ka green house bad ka blue house.